What's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZachB360 here with another video. So today, I want to talk to you about how to get waves, man. Y'all seen it from the thumbnail. Let's get right into it. Materials. Now these are things you're gonna need, man. First and foremost, a do-rag. You're gonna have to do-rag up at some point throughout this journey, so you're gonna need it. There's different types of do-rags out there. Silky, like these. We got the satin blend ones, like this one. Kind of stretchy too as well on these. You got the stylish ones, you know, the velvets. Make you look nice and clean. You put that over this to clean up all the hairs. And you golden, man. Then you got that, and I mean, no disrespect if you wear it and all that. You got these corner store do-rags, which to me is like, don't do it. It's not worth it. I mean, look at that, man. Look at this. Look at this. Like, look at the look how it is stitched together. Horrible. You don't want to put that like. And look at this. This is how you know. Like, this is probably after a day of use. You know what I'm saying? Like even these right here, man. Look at, like, it just folds up, and it's just hard to make flat. Like, what is that? You don't want that, okay? This is optional. Extra compression. You know what I'm saying? You can never go wrong with extra. Let me see what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a brush, man. There's all types of brushes. There's hard ones. That's for when you're woofing, man. When your hair just gets too wild. There's a soft one, like it's a double-sided, so I got the soft, the medium. You can see it's been worn out. I've been using this like, it's my first brush. I got this medium brush right here. Been doing me good. This is like perfect when I gotta get my crown work in. I could put this, put it right down my crown. Boom, you know what I'm saying? Easy. And then just to detangle, I got me a comb. Also, you're gonna need a mirror. That's the, you know what I'm saying, you gotta see where you're going. You gotta see your angles. You gotta get right. The only way to do that is to see what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? And then this is what I use, especially in my beginning stages. You know what I'm saying? Sporting waves is good for you, man. It's like some gel, you know, to help lay it down. Everybody needs some help sometimes. So yeah, those are what you need. And then come into your routine, onto the routine. For me personally, when I'm doing my routine, I like to go with a hard brush first. Just lay everything down and just keep going for like a good 20 minutes, maybe 15 if I'm being honest. Go with my medium brush for another 5-10 minutes and just end with the soft. Then I like to rag up. I put my rag on and then I extra compress like this. I'll put it on, just, and then you can see that with the extra compression, it's literally like showing. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah, it's actually showing, and it's because it's being compressed with this on. So compression helps, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, back to what I was saying. Brushing. You just keep going, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and that's the bare minimum. You do that maybe 2 times a day and you good, you straight. You'll be spinning in no time. But you gotta commit. You can't just be going around one day, maybe the other day, skip a few days, I'm good. Nah, you can't be doing that. Especially if you want to see progress. Sir, you made it to the end of the video, man. I'd like to thank you. Leave a like if you learned anything. Comment down below what you think. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see 360, let me know, because I got a sneak peek real quick for y'all. It's the progress from today, you know. Thanks for the support, every one of y'all. I appreciate y'all for real. And it's ZachB360. I'm out.